LIT Wellness Solutions is an award-winning health and wellness consulting and coaching company committed to guiding people as they succeed in non-diet nutrition therapy and lifestyle well-being, and helping companies cultivate a workplace culture that supports their employees as they excel and thrive. Our integrative lifestyle as medicine strategies address the interconnectedness of dimensional health, beginning with understanding the physical, mental, and emotional well-being influence on lifestyle behaviors. Founder Tanya Fasnacht-Jolliffe is a registered dietitian nutritionist, licensed dietitian, and a certified integrative mental health professional with extensive experience and authority in the wellness field. We utilize an evidence-based practice using a wealth of experience from positions in clinical dietetics, health coaching, and wellness training. Our personalized wellness solutions focus on mindful eating, stress management through lifestyle management, non-diet nutritional therapy, and wellness culture development focused on lasting lifestyle behavior change. We bring a 5-star Google rating and data-driven results that have led to a national recognition as a top corporate wellness provider, impactful leader in healthcare, and top nutritionist of the year, to name a few. Tanya is the author of the Mindful Me Journey, a valuable resource to individuals looking to enhance their relationship with food and exercise through mindfulness, as well as other helpful transformational tools. We are committed to helping companies transform their workplace wellness culture with proven strategies that lead to lower monthly healthcare costs with the company and increased employee wellness participation and health transformation. We are dedicated to helping people lead healthy, whole lives of purpose by advancing lifestyle as medicine solutions. We look forward to connecting with you and helping you begin your journey today.